Old school, new school, need to learn up. Old school, new school, need to learn up. Old school, new school.
Welcome back, Form B TV, Form B Finds, Show the Fall, all that good stuff or whatnot. Alright, that's oh, that's his channel though. OSNS, of course, you know, bring you here, right? Let's go and do a what sold video, July 4th. This is going to represent the 25th through the 4th of July. What's going to spark up the grill is raining, so guess what? We're just going to do a video. Got a special guest this week. You probably seen him just poked his head in last week. He made his first sale, and he made it within 24 hours. So let's give him a hand real quick. You want to tell people what you sell? What you sell?
I said this before.
Yeah, the thing with this.
The New Frontier Walking Dead sold for $15 for Xbox One.
And what platform you sold on?
I just said Xbox One.
Yeah, not the platform. What app you sold it on?
Mercari.
Mercari represents. So high five. You gotta do some hand sanitizer, boy, for high five. Oh man, all right. Well, get my 6 feet distance too, or whatever. All right, hey, without no further ado, this is gonna be the sales from from the 25th of June to 4th of July. So again, eBay coming in with the victory as always. Obviously our favorite platform and the platform we make the most money on. So this week we made over 600 bucks. This guy kept saying that we need to make a sale, we need to make a sale. I'm like, bruh, chill, it's gonna happen. And then, you know, last couple of days put us over the $600 mark, and we made $647. But for the thumbnail, we're gonna put $650. All right, so here we go. Without no further ado, all right, first thing to sell was a hookah ones. So for $48 plus shipping. That's a brand I'm not familiar with really, but I heard within the community that's popular. Went to the thrift, picked up $5 and sold for $48 plus shipping. Next is going to be an Air Max 720, sold for $109 plus free shipping. Like to do, when we get over to the $100 mark on eBay, like to just provide free shipping. That's one is an incentive, and then also when you're over $100 on sneakers on eBay, you don't pay the eBay fee. So we could, you know, kind of offer that service, and we sold those via pirate ship. So another one with these 720s, hey, you gotta have patience. I could say that. It's a little easier for me to say that because this is part-time for us, and we don't rely on it or anything to pay bills or anything like that. So, but hey, wait for your price. If you know what the items you have is worth that, you go just wait it out. And you know, a lot of people go on a low ball, just trying to, especially now that the stores are back open, everybody getting kind of the same items, and you're getting a flood of items. But if you can wait it out, go ahead and wait that out. Next we got Nike Vapor Max DSVM, sold for $149 plus free shipping. And like I said, with the stores back open, and I got these actually before the flood happened. But like I said, I just held true to my price or whatever, and they sold for $149 and free shipping. So got it. If you can, you gotta have patience, because normally you don't want to race to the bottom. Wait it out. The buyer is going to find that item, okay? Next was a Castelli cycling jersey, sold for $18 plus ship. You probably see we sold one of these before. Actually, we bought these from the Goodwill. So when that one sold, and it sold so fast, next time I went to the Goodwill, this one was still there, picked it up, and guess what? This one sold within 24 hours also. And so we're definitely seeing a good trend. Two trends we're seeing right now is golf-related items and then cycling-related items also. Next is going to be a Banana Republic polo, and like cheap polo, got it, sold for $11 plus shipping. You know, it's kind of hard to sell those mall brand things, but if you get them for the right price and you don't mind holding on to them for a while, eventually a buyer is gonna find that item. So that's our eBay sales. Next we're gonna move to Mercari, and Mercari, some good sales in Mercari actually this week. So one, we had a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle T-shirt, sold for $15 plus free shipping. Like I said, these T-shirts come dime a dozen. You know, you sell one, it pays for your whole bag. So you know, but always look for either try to get a good design T-shirt older t-shirt that's still in good condition, if you're going for the graphic tees or whatnot. Next is going to be a FootJoy polo shirt, sold for $15 plus free shipping. Like I said, golf related items are just a good buy right now. Next is going to be a Joker jersey. We got that last week. Yeah, picked that up last week. Sold for $25 plus free shipping. And like I said, that's sold fast too. Within 48 hours, that one sold. Next is Adidas POD, sold for $110 plus free shipping. And I expected to hold on to these for a while because when I looked at the comps were pretty good. But then I just started, kind of looking at videos and things like that, and then it wasn't a common brand, so to speak. You get PODs a lot, but this was unique. Well, the reason why I picked them up, and they sold and got some good feedback on that one. So definitely, don't be afraid if you can afford it, and if you don't mind holding on to something for a while, and the comps are there, go ahead and pick it up. Next, had a vintage Wilson windbreaker, sold for $20 plus free shipping. Had this item for a while. Pretty nice jacket. Like I said, just had to wait to find the right buyer. That buyer came along. They offered, I forgot what I was selling for. They offered something, I counter offered, and they got it for $20. It was and it went first class. So definitely we made a margin on that one, right? Next, Poshmark. Yes, we have a Poshmark sale. So shout out to Poshmark. Finally came through after all this time, and it was a Marvin the Martian tee, and it sold for $10. And then Poshmark takes 20% of that. But like I said, tees dirt cheap. This is the thing with this video. Sometimes you gotta wait for that right buyer to come along and find that item. So. That's our sales for the week, $647, and pretty good.
We have never said anything for this whole video.
You want to talk? Go ahead. It's a whole video. It's only at 7 minutes. We could go. Oh. I'll try to keep it under 10 minutes. If you want to say something, you got some advice or something, go for it. Go.
Well, recently I started my YouTube channel called Shelter Falls. I have 3 subscribers, which is all from the channels I did. Alright,
Look at the camera.
I was. Alright, and then we have another channel, Formby TV, which we have a couple of subscribers on. I stopped uploading on that. It's supposed to be a family channel, but I'm the only one uploading on it.
I know, because you motivated all the rest of these bums. You got anything to say, man? Since I talked the whole thing, would you like to say something? Any advice for the people?
Patience is key, maybe?
No.
You sold a couple things too, right? What you sold? Because they got their own Mercari stores or whatever. So, what you sell?
You ain't selling nothing.
So you got an offer for the 2K.
Yeah, but didn't say anything.
He counter offered, and then they said, nah, bro.
And then, so, what else? I sold like 2 t-shirts, the Drop of the Hook one, and then, what else? Oh, that Marvin, what's that plush?
Kenny.
Yeah, the Kenny plush. But that was a couple weeks ago. There was another thing, but that was like a while back.
So they don't have a lot of items in the store, so obviously the volume is not going to be there. But obviously they kind of concentrating on like little plush toys. Oh! Boy, you're destroying the place. Hey. Let's leave it, man. Cause guess what? That's just a sign to wrap this up. So, cut. Have a good holiday. Enjoy your long weekend if you're having one, and we out. Peace.
This one?
Yeah, no, red.
Now, so make it work.
Get those.
I did it, you could do it too.
You need to do